This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. How to build credit. Building credit comes down to creating a track record of your ability to keep your financial commitments at the credit bureaus. You can usually do this by getting a credit card from a well-established bank that reports to the credit bureaus. Credit cards are a great way to start because they give you the flexibility to control how much you borrow, and when you borrow, while also allowing you to repay at your own pace. If you are new to credit, however, you might have to either put up a security deposit, apply with a guarantor, or accept to pay high interest charges on unpaid balances. These constraints might sometimes get relaxed if you apply through an affinity program with your school, company, or other affiliations. Even if you don't have the need to borrow, you can use the credit card for some of your daily spending and always pay off the balance at the due date. This enables you to build a good credit record without incurring any finance charges. Some other common ways of building credit are either financing or leasing your car or reporting your rent to the credit bureaus. Once your record is created at the credit bureaus, it will usually take 3 to 6 months to get your first credit score. The credit score you will get will depend mostly on how you are keeping your payments, so make sure you make your payments on time. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wefiapp.com.